Hello students. Today's lecture is for the students of 10 plus 2 class, and today I am going to discuss with you comprehension. So to begin with, comprehension is the ability to understand. It's an exercise that tests how well you understand spoken or written language. Now, coming on as to how to solve comprehension. Students, there are 7 points that we need to keep in our mind while solving a comprehension exercise. The first point is don't overemphasize trivialities. Second is don't memorize. Third is don't read the passage first. Fourth is don't emphasize on vocabulary skills. Fifth is don't spend time on reading comprehension that you can't comprehend at first. Sixth is don't think the correct answer would come from outside the passage. And the seventh is don't rely on trigger words. So students, coming on the elaboration of all the points one by one. The first is don't overemphasize the trivialities. By this I mean that details are important, but don't be obsessed with examples or illustrations. You just need to hang to the main point and not to the examples. Comprehending the overall flow and structure will help you analyze and answer the questions. The second is don't memorize. This means just understand the flow, structure, and the main points. It should be your priority. For factual or specific point questions, reread the passage. The third is don't read the passage first. Now, students always go through the questions first and then the passage. This will prepare you to focus on the things you need to look in the passage. Focus only on the questions and not on a particular answer options. A quick overview of the questions is sufficient. The next is don't overemphasize on vocabulary skills. Now here having a strong vocabulary is definitely great, but you don't need to put yourself under stress. Just make sure you understand the gist of the passage and you don't get stuck on a particular word. The next is don't spend time on RC that you can't comprehend at first. It means make sure you have patience to avoid a difficult passage. Focus on the ones that you can easily comprehend. Quickly go back to the tricky passage in case of a necessity. The next point is don't think the correct answer would come from outside the passage. This means most of the options are found only in the passage. There is no need to find out the answer somewhere else because if the answer is there, it will only be in the passage. And the last most important point to be kept in mind while solving a comprehension exercise is that don't rely on trigger words. This means you might get trapped in the web of trigger words if you don't read the passage attentively. A passage may focus on one point for quite a bit of sentences and then change it towards the end with trigger words like but or forever. This will usually confuse readers who skip through the passage or rush through it in haste. Thank you very much.